Hey creators, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are tackling the heavyweight championship of content creation, YouTube versus TikTok. Which platform is the right one for you in 2026? It's a question every creator asks, and the answer isn't so simple. We're going to break down everything you need to know, from how you get paid and how much you can make, to global reach, rules, and your long-term potential. By the end of this video, you'll have a crystal clear idea of where to invest your creative energy. So, grab a coffee, and let's dive in. First up, let's get a quick overview of our two contenders. YouTube, the undisputed king of long-form video, has been around for ages. Owned by Google, it's a massive search engine in its own right. The game here is all about building a loyal audience, racking up watch time, and creating content that people will search for and watch for years to come. Think of it like building a library of valuable videos. On the other side of the ring, we have TikTok, the explosive powerhouse of short-form content. TikTok is all about the now. Its algorithm is legendary for its ability to make a video go viral overnight. It's built on trends, rapid-fire discovery, and capturing attention in seconds. It's less of a library and more of a lightning-fast, never-ending content stream. Now for the part you've all been waiting for, the money. How do you actually make a living on these platforms? Let's start with YouTube. The most well-known method is through the YouTube Partner Program, or YPP, which lets you earn ad revenue. But that's just the beginning. You can also offer channel memberships, where fans pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks. During live streams, your audience can support you with super chats and super stickers. You also get a cut of the revenue from YouTube Premium subscribers who watch your content. And of course, there are brand sponsorships, where companies pay you to feature their products. It's a whole ecosystem of earning potential. Over on TikTok, the monetization landscape is a bit different. The main source of platform-based income is the Creativity Program, which replaced the old Creator Fund. This program pays you based on qualified views of your videos. During live streams, viewers can send you virtual gifts, which you can then convert into real money called diamonds. A huge and growing area is TikTok Shop, where you can earn commissions by promoting and selling products directly through your videos. And just like YouTube, brand partnerships are a massive opportunity, with TikTok even providing a creator marketplace to help connect you with brands. So, the million-dollar question, which one pays more? This is where it gets interesting. Generally speaking, YouTube pays significantly more per thousand views, what we call CPM. This is because longer videos can have multiple ad breaks, and advertisers are willing to pay more to reach YouTube's engaged audience. A single, well-performing YouTube video can generate consistent ad revenue for years. TikTok, on the other hand, typically pays much less per view from its Creativity Program. We're talking fractions of a cent. However, and this is a big however, TikTok's magic is in its scale. While one view pays less, the platform can deliver millions of views in a matter of hours. So, a viral TikTok can still bring in a decent amount of cash quickly, but it's often less predictable than YouTube's steady ad income. Let's talk about reaching a global audience. Both platforms are massive international players. YouTube is available in over 100 countries, and its partner program is widely accessible, meaning creators from all over the world can monetize their content fairly easily. It's a truly global stage. TikTok also operates worldwide and has a massive international user base. However, some of its key monetization features, particularly the Creativity Program, are only available in a select list of countries. This means that while your videos can be seen everywhere, your ability to earn directly from the platform might be limited depending on where you live. This is a critical factor to consider if you're outside of North America or Western Europe. Before you can even think about earning, you have to meet certain requirements. Let's look at the entry barriers. To join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning from ads, you need to hit two main milestones: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of public watch time within the last 12 months. There is an alternative for Shorts creators, which requires 10 million valid Shorts views in 90 days. You also have to follow all of YouTube's policies, of course. For TikTok's Creativity Program, the requirements are different and can vary by country. Typically, you need at least 10,000 followers and have accumulated 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. You also need to be at least 18 years old and adhere to their community guidelines. So, While TikTok's follower count is higher, the view count can be easier to achieve quickly thanks to its algorithm. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of rules and regulations, starting with copyright. This is a huge deal for creators. YouTube is famously strict about copyright. It uses an incredibly powerful automated system called Content ID that constantly scans videos for unauthorized use of music, clips, and other protected material. A copyright violation can lead to a claim where the revenue goes to the copyright owner, your video being demonetized, or even a channel strike, which is very serious. TikTok, on the other hand, has a different relationship with copyright, especially when it comes to music. It has extensive licensing agreements with major record labels, which is why you can use popular songs in your videos from their library without issue. However, using copyrighted audio or video from outside their library can still get you in trouble, and repeated violations can lead to penalties. It's generally seen as less strict than YouTube, but it's not a free-for-all. Beyond copyright, both platforms have extensive community guidelines that you must follow to stay in good standing. These rules cover everything from sensitive content to safety and spam. YouTube operates on a 3-strike system. Get 1 strike, it's a warning. Get 3, and your channel could be terminated permanently. They can also demonetize specific videos or your entire channel if you violate their advertiser-friendly guidelines. TikTok is also very proactive in enforcing its rules. They are known to remove content very quickly, sometimes without a clear explanation. Your video's visibility might also be limited or shadow banned if the algorithm flags it as potentially problematic, even if it doesn't result in a formal strike. So on both platforms, you need to play by the rules. Let's talk about discovery and going viral. This is where the two platforms have fundamentally different philosophies. TikTok is built for virality. Its For You page algorithm is designed to push your content to a massive, fresh audience, regardless of how many followers you have. A brand new creator can post a video and wake up to millions of views. It's a dopamine rush and an incredible way to get discovered quickly. Growth on YouTube is typically a slower, more methodical process. It's more of a marathon than a sprint. Your growth is often tied to search, suggested videos, and building a core subscriber base. While a YouTube video can certainly go viral, it's less common for a brand new channel. The upside is that a well-optimized YouTube video can continue to get views and earn money for years, becoming what we call evergreen content. Finally, let's discuss brand deal potential, which is often the biggest source of income for successful creators. On both platforms, brands are eager to partner with you to reach your audience. However, the nature of these deals often differs. YouTube sponsorships tend to command higher prices per deal. This is because integrations are usually longer and more in-depth. A dedicated review or a 60-second mid-roll ad in a 15-minute video holds a lot of value for a brand. On TikTok, brand deals can be more frequent and high value. A brand might hire a dozen creators to participate in a new hashtag challenge. The pay-per-video might be lower than a YouTube integration, but the opportunities can come thick and fast, especially if you're in a trend-driven niche like fashion or beauty. So, what's the final takeaway, YouTube or TikTok? The truth is, there's no single better platform. It depends entirely on your goals. If your priority is rapid growth, instant feedback, and the thrill of potentially going viral overnight, TikTok is an incredibly powerful tool. It's fantastic for building brand awareness quickly and tapping into current trends. If you're focused on building a long-term, stable business with higher ad revenue per view and creating a library of content that will have value for years, then YouTube is the stronger choice. It rewards depth, loyalty, and expertise. But here's the pro move for 2026. Don't choose. The most successful creators use both platforms strategically. They use TikTok for discovery and to drive traffic, and they use YouTube for deeper connection and monetization. They create short, snappy clips for TikTok, and then direct that audience to their full-length videos on YouTube. It's not YouTube versus TikTok. It's YouTube and TikTok. By leveraging the strengths of both, you can maximize your reach, your growth, and your income. Thank you so much for watching this deep dive. I hope it's given you the clarity you need to plan your content strategy. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a fellow creator, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. We'll see you in the next one.